Okay, I have this green jumper wire here. I'm going to connect that to the negative side of the battery, and I'm going to start the engine, and then I'm going to momentarily touch the green jumper wire to the green wire that's coming from the generator that we've disconnected previously. And you should see the voltage jump up from around 12 volts with the cart running to about 16 volts. If that happens, that proves the generator is fine, and you simply need to change the less inexpensive voltage regulator. Here we go. Nothing to it, and that proved the generator is fine. You change the little voltage regulator, 1 bolt and 3 wires, and you're done.